Tragedy. At a football match in St. Andrew, a player collapses and dies. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, man killed, 2 students shot in Montego Bay.
Details of the Al Miller briefing about the Duda saga and the questions he refused to answer.
Education Minister tours Halfway Tree Transport Centre amidst plan to monitor students using cameras.
Depreciation of Jamaican dollar takes centre stage in Gordon House debate.
And in the business news, the Finance Minister on the latest economic indicators.
There's also sports commentary, e-prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What do you think about the Education Minister's proposal to have principals use cameras in the Halfway Tree Transport Centre to monitor the behaviour of school children?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jan.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.